In today's fast-paced world, staying competitive means staying ahead of technological developments. But keeping up with ever-evolving hardware and software is costly and often inefficient. On-premises data centers require significant upfront investment. They must be constantly updated to meet growing demands, and they must be utilized at full capacity to justify their cost. But what happens when your project hits a peak and your resources fall short? How often do you compromise because your hardware or licenses cannot keep up? Or perhaps you need simulation hardware and software resources only sporadically as part of projects or short-term requirements that do not justify the cost of purchase. Either way, there is a smarter and more efficient way to handle simulation. The AVL Simulation Cloud gives you flexible access to both software and high-performance hardware exactly when you need it. With our cloud-based solution, you only pay for the hardware and software licenses you use. No more wasted resources, no more costly upgrades, no more hassle of missing deadlines. You can relax, because you know you have your own simulation environment at all times. And the best part is, the more you simulate, the cheaper it gets. Our licensing model rewards you for scaling your simulations without locking you into expensive long-term commitments. Do you need extra computing power for a peak? No problem. Our cloud services provide on-demand access to the latest hardware, so you never have to worry about capacity again. Whether you need a few extra cores for a quick job or large-scale, high-performance computing for complex projects, we have you covered. AVL delivers flexibility like never before, with the latest hardware, the highest security standards, and easy access. Enjoy unlimited access to all solutions and features of the AVL Simulation Suite with the most recent versions as soon as they are released. It feels like running simulations on your local computer, but with all the power of the cloud. No limits, no compromises, just possibilities.